Welcome once again to my channel, Mathematics Clinic by Tutor Chris. Alright, we are having this very good problem to solve today, which is an exponent problem. The question says that we are having 2x to the power of half plus x to the power of half plus x to the power of half equals to 8. Alright guys, how do we go about this kind of problem? We have been solving a lot of problems in indices. We have been solving an exponent function. Alright, let's look at this now. So the first thing I'm going to do here is from this left hand side, so the next thing to do here is to find the square root of both sides. Alright, or you can also sum them together. That is, you're having 2x to the power of half plus another x to the power of half plus another x to the power of half. I can find their square root. I can square everything here, also square the right hand side there, and also I can sum them together and then go on to to square them. Alright, so let me sum them together so it will be easier for you to understand. So now if you add 2x to the power of half plus another x to the power of half, that's 3x to the power of half plus another x to the power of half, that's 4x to the power of half equals to 8. That's cool. Alright, again here I can first divide both sides by this coefficient, which is 4. If I divide both sides by this, so I'm going to obtain x to the power of half equals to 8. But now let me show you this, the first one I'm going to do. So after this I'm gonna show you the second method. Alright, so now if I square this now, everything here should be squared. If everything here is squared, this is also squared. That says that this will cancel this. So I'm going to have, don't forget that this is also squared. 4x to the power of half means that we're having 4 multiplied by x to the power of half, and they are both sharing the squared. So I'm going to have 4 squared. Now this x, we have cancelled out the power, so we are going to have 4 squared, which is 16x. 16x equals to 8 squared, which is also 64. I hope you understand what I did here. So if you don't understand, pause the video, listen, so that I can get what I did there. Alright, now so I can divide both sides by 16, so that I will obtain my value for x divided by 16. So I'm going to have x equals to 16 divided by 64 divided by 16 will give me 4. Alright, this is cool, and this is our final answer. Alright, so now let's go back to the method the second method. So I'm going to have 2x to the power of 1 over 2. Oh, sorry, let me clean that. I don't like the way it is being written here, so I have to clean it. Alright, so I'm having 2x to the power of 1 over 2 plus another x. Oh, sorry, let me write it here. 2x to the power of half plus another x to the power of half plus x to the power of half equals 8. This is the method 2 now. So if we sum them together, we are going to obtain 4x to the power of half equals to 8. Alright, I can quickly divide both sides here. If I divide both sides, I'm going to have this, I'm going to have this. This implies that x to the power of half equals to 8 divided by 4 will give me 2. Alright, so if I squared both sides now, this will be x to the power of 1 over 2 squared equals to 2 squared. This implies that, look at this now, this will cancel this. So I'm having x to the power of 1, which is the same thing as x, and 2 to the power of 2 will give me 4. Therefore, we're having x equals to 4. You can see we obtain the same answer. That's absolutely cool. So if you like this kind of video, invite your friends to my channel, follow and turn on your notification. Thank you. See you next time.